Monroe MLA Lakshmikant Parsekar pointed out the irregularities by various departments while recruiting new staff. Parsekar also pointed out towards injustice on pre-employment trainees while filling different posts. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath rubbished the allegations and said that in-house promotions were done on the basis of experience. He said that 50% of vacancies will go to pre-employment trainees till all them are employed.
To give this order.
Speaker sir, the accountantaच्या बाबतीत हे जाल्ली ना आणि specific remark घातला. No marks has been awarded to the candidates. The committee, after going through educational qualifications, experience in the field and assessing the suitability of the candidates, selected the candidates. Marks दिलेत ना 12 accountant घेतल्यात तुम्ही
249
page number 113.
If you want, I will find out and give you the.
249 line helperan भितर मधीच एक driver घुसयला.
That is because what must have happened that boy might have been working for the last so many years, and probably since he didn't have qualifications, they might have taken him as the driver. Basic concept is those who have put on 10 years, 12 years of job on daily wages in the electricity department. Some of them have been working at 60 rupees per day. 60 rupees per day.
Honorable Chief Minister, his argument is you have already allowed them to work for so many months, now more than 3 or 4 years. Now, if you are giving promotions, if you are sort of considering them, then it should be openly done. Because SSC, people SSC, and if your rules say that HSC is required or graduation is required, you cannot violate that. But in case if he is for promotional posts, there may be certain promotional posts.
As far as pets is concerned, my government has recently taken a decision, Speaker sir. One was to increase their pay to 8,000 rupees. Because we also sympathize with. No, one second. Let me complete. One was because we also felt that these boys or girls have worked hard. They are all Goans. They have worked for last so many years, and government is sympathetic to their demand. Secondly, we also took a decision that vacancies whichever are clear, 50% will go to pets. And that is why actually now I'll tell you. Now for example recently
implemented, it's not implemented. That is not implemented so far.
After the cabinet decision which we took, whatever posts are advertised.
So now whatever posts will be
50% will go to pets. This is the direction. Yeah, we have taken a cabinet decision.
Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly Pratap Singh Rane directed Forest Minister Philip Neri Rodrigues to provide details on the action initiated by Forest Department to curb illegal mining in Goa. Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar had pointed out that incomplete answer tabled by the minister with regards to the action taken by Forest Department. Neri later agreed to provide the detailed information on coming Monday.
There are so many cases where Forest Conservation Act has been violated and wildlife permissions are not there. As per your own report, the mining is illegal. According to your own report, what I am reading from there. So why you have not initiated action on those?
My department, Forest Department, already initiated action on some of the cases, of which I can highlight.
Oh, where?
See, in the case of...
so you have not replied that?
No, I have not replied.
So question is incompletely replied.
Because we have asked the various departments to initiate action.
Other department I can understand, but his department action he should list based on the case wise. He has not listed them. The reply is halfway. He has only given the report copies, but he has not given what is the action taken, because at least out of some 30-40 cases, at least 10 cases requires his action.
Because I can provide the information.
You please place it on the table of the House, all the information.
Because that is important. Question may be postponed to next...
Then I don't want to take it in next session. I want to take it in this session.
No, it can be taken in the next round.
No, instead of postponing the question, I can place...
Because they are very important.
There is a sanctuary, Madai Wildlife Sanctuary, they cannot do it.
No, they cannot, but तो किती म्हणता तो ऐकून ना तुम्ही तो म्हणता environment clearance दिल्या आपल्या काय लागायला म्हणता तो
unless the government blessings.
I request you to postpone the question with complete answer.
These illegal activities are not in the forest land.
Postpone the question.
Postpone the question.
I may be allowed to postpone the question
question.
maybe next Monday.
The Santosh Trophy winning Goan football team was congratulated in the assembly on Monday. Speaking during the congratulatory motion, leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar requested the government to be prompt in giving away promised rewards to the sportsperson. Urban Development Minister and Goa Football Association President Joki Alemao urged the government to sanction grant of rupees 50,000 for each of GFA affiliated clubs.
जसो फुटबॉल हो गोंयकारांचो प्राण आणि त्यामुळे जेन्ना संतोष ट्रॉफी सारखे फुटबॉलाची हे गोंयकार जिखता तेन्ना गोंयच्या हे टिमीचो खरेंच कौतुक करीनशें दिसता. गोंय हें ल्हान प्रदेश तरी सुद्दां नॅशनल लेवलचेर बेस्ट टीम. हांव सरकाराक एकूच विनंती करता की तांच्यांनी तांकां कितें कितें जे प्रॉमीस केलां पळय ते सगळे गजाली एका विशिश्ट मर्यादे भितर टायमा भितर तांकां दिवच्यो. कारण बऱ्याच स्पोर्ट्समॅनाचे ते जिखतात पेवणारे बी सगळे, पण मागीर तांकां वाट पळयत बसचें पडटा. ते वाट पळोवची न्ही, पडचें न्ही तांकां. म्हणजे तांच्यांनी जिखलेले जैताचे आनी गोवा सरकारान केल्ले कौतुकाचे तांकां एक कितें तरी बरी याद उरतली, इतलेंच करचें.
Football in Goa, as we are all aware, is played in the small village club. And it is this club that give us this football player to bring honor and glory to Goa. There exist a total of 160 clubs of Goa recognized by GFA and SAG. The finance and sponsor, it is become difficult to run this club and carry on football activity. And that is why the Goa Football Association has put up the proposal to my government for providing financial assistance to rupees 50,000 each, and I call upon my Chief Minister and Sport Minister to look upon this proposal favorably.
BJP MLA from Mapsa, Advocate Francis D'Souza, hailed the performances of chess stars Ivana Furtado, Bhakti Kulkarni, swimming sensation Talasha Prabhu, and tennis player Natasha Palha. He also suggested to the government to come out with a policy to back talents of national and international quality. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Watch after the break. GMC's Dua breaks silent and a special report on upcoming solar eclipse. Stay tuned. Welcome back. GMC was in religious mood on Monday. Looks like they wanted to show that dawa se zyada dua hi kaam aati hai. Religious rituals were performed at GMC. On one side Satyanarayan Puja and on other side Mass. Shockingly, loudspeakers were also installed in a strict silent zone like GMC. But looks like GMC had forgotten the peace of their patients for the day.
This is Satyanarayan Puja performed at GMC's OPD room. This is the queue not waiting for doctors but to take darshan of Lord Satyanarayan. Staff of GMC was also seen enjoying the function. On the other side, a mass was also held. A huge crowd was seen attending the mass. I'm sure even people outside could hear it, including patients, as loudspeaker was loud and clear for both the religious ceremonies.
आणि हाकाच लागून दोन एका दोतोरान आपणाचो भाव, इट्स अ वोकेशन नॉट अ प्रोफेशन, आपणाचो भाव जावन आसा एक आपोवणे. देवान म्हाका भाव करून आपयला, इतल्या लोकांमध्ये म्हाका वेचून काडला. ओके, दोतोराची जबाबदारी व्हड जावन आसा.
When we contacted Dr. Rajan Kunkulekar, he refused to speak on camera but said that these issues are related to sentiments of people, so they have allowed it. Our video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.